Shalom. Today is the 17th day of Tammuz, and the Gemara records in the end of Maseches Tanis on Daf Chavav 26a, B'Shiva Asar B'Tammuz, on the 17th day of Tammuz, Nishtabru Haluchos. The luchos were broken. This event, according to the Mishnah, is the first in a series of calamities that took place on this day. So why was this the first? Because it signifies something deep about this day and the period of the 3 weeks that we are entering right now. The breaking of the luchos, it creates fragmentation. Because it's not just that the 2 tablets that we received from Hashem were now themselves broken into pieces. It's that when the second luchos, the second tablets are constituted, it's no longer the same. It's not the same unity of the first tablets. The first tablets were Maaseh Elokim, they were divine substance, and they were Michtav Elokim, divinely inscribed. But the second luchos were different. The second luchos were our substance. Moshe Rabbeinu had to bring the materials psalacha, and then Hashem, Michtav Elokim. There's a gap. There's a fragmentation between the substance and the writing. There's a distance. That fragmentation is what is at the core. That pirud, that distance is what is at the core of what is difficult and troubling for us during this period. We're in an alma de piruda, a world of fragmentation, when there is a divide between feeling the presence of Hashem and that presence actually being in the world. The presence of God is everywhere, but we now don't feel it. Our goal over these 3 weeks is to answer the question, Eicha, that we're going to say in Tisha B'Av. Eicha, Eicha, where, how, why, what? All the Eichas start with the same letter. Aleph, Echad, unity. The single letter, the first letter, where everything is together. How do we get back to that? Why have we lost that? Where are we going to accomplish Echad? That can be one task we set for ourselves over these 3 weeks. To bring the pirud, the disunity, the fragmentation together to answer the question on Tisha B'Av in 3 weeks. Eicha, Echad, bringing us all back together.